Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn and discuss about multiplication of mixed number. So we are now in our third part. We have our example 4 and 4 over 5 multiplied by 3 and 2 over 3. So for this example, our solution, first, we are going to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction and also this one. So first, we have 4 and 4 over 5. So, convert natin ito at gawin nating improper fraction. So, first, copy natin ang denominator na 5. Then, we multiply 4 times 5, that is 20. If you're going to simplify 20 over 5, that is 4. So, ginawa lang nating fraction ang whole number na 4. Then, after this, we're going to add 4 over 5. So, we have 20 over 5 plus 4 over 5, that is equal to 20 plus 4, that is 24. Tapos, since this is a similar fraction, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. So, we have 24 over 5. This mixed number na 4 and 4 over 5, this is also equivalent to 24 over 5. Ginawa lang nating improper fraction. Next, we're going to convert this 3 and 2 over 3. Gawin nating improper fraction. So, una, copy natin yung denominator na 3. Tapos, we multiply 3 times 3, that is 9. If we simplify, 9 divide 3, that is equivalent to our whole number na 3. Tapos, we just add 2 over 3. So, if we simplify, 9 plus 2, that is 11. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 3. So, we have 24 now over 5 and 11 over 3. So, we multiply 24 over 5 multiplied by 11 over 3. As a recap sa mga previous lesson natin, pag mag-multiply tayo ng fraction, we multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator sa denominator. So we have 24 times 11, that is 264. Tapos 5 times 3, that is 15. 264 and 15 can be divided by 3. So we divide them by 3. So we have 264, that is 88. Tapos 15 divide 3, that is 5. 88 over 5 cannot be divided or walang number na pwedeng mag-divide sa kanilang dalawa. So, as is na tong ating fraction. So, we have 88 over 5. Ang gawin na lang natin is i-convert natin itong 88 over 5 into a mixed number na kagaya nito. So, we have 88 divide 5, that is equivalent to 17. So, actually, 17 is meron pa siyang point something, di ba? Meron pa siyang decimal, pero disregard natin yung decimal. Yung whole number lang ang i-consider natin, lagay natin dito. Then, we multiply 5 times 17, that is 85. Tapos, para sa ating fraction, we subtract 88 minus 85, that is 3. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. So, we have 17 and 3 over 5. So, this is our answer for this problem.